which is a polka dot polka dot trop, which is for rupees 4 which is for rupees 100. Hey guys, I'm Kirki Jewel and welcome back to my channel. Last month there were so many festivals and I've done so many styling videos, but today's video is a chit chat video wherein I am sharing Shein alternative apps as well as outfits with you guys. Many Chinese apps got banned and one of them was Shein. Shein was every girl's best friend because one, they had really stylish clothes, and secondly, they were super affordable. I have found some Indian alternatives for Shein, so without further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you all haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you'll hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and if you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Now let's get started. So I'll be categorizing outfits into three parts. First one is the dress or jumpsuits. Second one are the tops, and the third one are bottoms. So let's start with dresses. I am going to place Shein outfits over here and the alternatives over here. So the first outfit that I have from Shein is this polka dot tie-up wrap dress, which is for rupees 1168. And you won't believe the alternative that I found for this. They don't have the app, they have their Insta page and a website which is called a Street Style Store. This is how it looks like. Look at this outfit, it's exactly the same. The color, the print, the style, the model on the cover page is also same. The only difference is the app, which is an Indian app, and the price, which is rupees 499. This is the same outfit at such a low cost. This is a great deal. Moving on to our second outfit from Shein, which is this white polka dot wrap-up dress, which is for rupees 1661, and the alternative that I found for this is again on Street Style Store, which is for rupees 999. The only difference is that the Shein one has a tie-up on its left side, whereas the Street Style Store one has a bow at the center. That's the only style difference. Other than that, the entire outfit is the same, and again it's at a great deal, which is for 999 only. You are saving about 661 rupees, actually 662 rupees, but yeah, again a great deal. Next up from Shein is this striped jumpsuit, and the alternative that I found for this, it's not an alternative, it's something similar to it from Street Style Store, which is this, and it retails for 899 rupees. Now the only difference over here is that the Shein one has stripes and the Street Style Store one is a tube jumpsuit. Also there is a minor color difference. Now if you're not comfortable wearing a tube, you all can wear a shrug over it or denim jacket over it and you're ready to rock. Plus you are saving a good amount of money. So yeah. Next is this two-piece outfit from Shein, which is a tie-up crop top and a palazzo. I love the print, I love the color, it's very tropical, summery, and it retails for 1359 rupees. And I found a similar outfit, not similar, exactly same outfit on Street Style Store for rupees 999 only. And again, look at the color, look at the print, it's the same cover picture also. So again, a great deal. So those were the dresses and jumpsuits. Now moving on to tops. The first top from Shein is one of my favorite one, which is this high neck mutton leg sleeves top. Now don't ask me why it's called like this. It's a fashion term. I'll explain it in some other video. Let me know if you'll want a video on me explaining some fashion terms or something. I would love to do that. Yeah, moving on. So this is my favorite top. I have this top. I have styled it. Here is a picture of it. And I found an alternative for this on Ajio. Not an alternative but same product, just the color difference, which is this, and it retails for rupees 448. Ajio is an online brand. They have their app, they have their website, and they have some nice stylish outfits. And since lockdown, they have some crazy discount deals going on, so you all should definitely check it out. Next up from Shein is this mock neck puff sleeve top, which is for rupees 608, and I found an alternative, something similar to this on Ajio, which is this floral puff sleeve top. It's for rupees 419. Color is same, the print is slightly different, but I love the Ajio one more because it has an open neck, it has buttons in the front, and this top can be worn to your office as well as for casual meetups. So yeah. Next up is this one from Shein, which is a polka dot print and it has ruffles on its sleeves. and it is for 576 rupees. And the alternative that I found is from Ajio, which is for rupees 349 only. And this was actually on sale and it was for 299. But yeah, still at a great discount. And again, I love the Ajio one more because of the color. I did not like the color of the Shein one, and this is the original color. There's no filter over it. This is some, I don't know, mustardish, some orangish color, which I did not like, whereas I like the Ajio one more. Moving on to our next top, which is from Shein, and this is a lace and frill mesh top with a V neck, and I found an alternative for this on Ajio, which looks like this. And the neckline is the same. There is a difference in the sleeves. Ajio one has a flounce sleeves, and there is no mesh near the neck area in the Ajio one. But yeah, again, a good top at a good price. Okay, so those were the tops. Now moving on to bottoms, and the first one from Shein is this polka dot wide leg pant. It's a palazzo, which is for rupees 1224, and the alternative that I found for this is from Ajio, which is for rupees 749. The only difference is that the Ajio one has a flare at the bottom and it looks more stylish, I feel. Next up from Shein is this asymmetric layered wrap-up skirt, which is for rupees 1319. This skirt had become very famous at a time, and I found an alternative for this on Ajio, which is for rupees 792, and it looks like this. Now again, I like the Ajio one more because the fabric, the fall of the fabric, at least it looks more stylish than the Shein one, and again the price. Next from Shein is this short ruffled skirt, which is for rupees 1099, and the alternative to this is on Ajio, which is for rupees 585. Now I love the color of the Ajio one. The only difference is that the Shein one has a lace at the bottom and Ajio one doesn't, but Ajio one looks more nice, maybe because of the color, and looks like a cotton skirt. So yeah, again, a great product at a great deal. Now moving on to the last outfit that I have from Shein is this polka dot crop top and a slit thigh skirt, which is for rupees 1423, and I found something just similar to this on Street Style store. I forgot to mention this outfit previously when I was talking about Street Style store, but yeah, this is the product and it retails for rupees 999 only. This is the same outfit. It has a polka dot print, it is off shoulder crop top, it has high thigh slit skirt, and the only difference is the color and the price. So yeah, again, a great deal. So yeah, that was it. I hope you liked the video. I have been talking for more than 15 minutes. Make sure you'll share my video and like my video and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know if you would like a Shein alternative for jewelry video. I would love to do that also. So let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You all can watch my previous video over here. You all can watch my lookbook playlist over here. And meet you all next Friday. Until then, stay stylish.